We get a lot of calls asking about the add-ons. The sales team, they talk about it on site because we don't make the sale there. We're a little different we're not pushy. So we come back to the office and they do the proposal and they send it, and then we communicate over the phone. But we get a lot of calls and they were able to explain it, but they can also click on it and read about it, you know, air purification items, filters, upgrading to an electronic air cleaner or a bigger filter, things like that. I'm surprised this year of how many, because we're able to track that, of our dollar amount that we've actually done this year on the add-ons. And the customers, if you don't ask, they're not going to take it. So the ability just to click on something and recommend it versus having to, the old way we used to do it was a lot harder. It's a no-brainer.